Howdy, this is Sogan. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you the pattern of Irish crochet puff stitch lace flower tutorial. So let's see together. Wrap the yarn around your index finger 6 or 7 times. Insert your hook and pull up loop, chain 1, then crochet, single crochet, crochet several single crochets around the circle until the circle is completely filled. At the end of the row, make a slip stitch in first single crochet. Chain 1, stretch it, yarn over, insert your hook into this circle and pull up loop twice, 3 times, 4 and 5 times. Yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 1 to close it, chain 3, then make a single crochet on top of this puff stitch, chain 3, then make a single crochet on top of this puff stitch, yarn over, insert your hook into this circle and pull up loop 5 times, 3, 4 and 5 times. Yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 1 to close it, to crochet puff stitch, chain 3, then make a single crochet on top of the puff stitch, chain 3, then make a single crochet and repeat again. I crocheted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 puff stitch to fill the circle, then make a slip stitch, chain 1, cut the yarn off, then hide your yarn. I hope this video was helpful for you. I upload new videos every week. If you like my videos, please support me by commenting and subscribing. God bless you.